Hey guys, welcome back to this new video. This is the unboxing cabin. Let's get started. So today we will be unboxing the Moto E4 Plus phone. Now let's take a look at the back of the box. We have the following specifications. The Moto E4 Plus, a 5.5 HD screen, a 5000 mAh battery, fingerprint reader and 13 MP plus 5 megapixel. With that being the key features of the phones, this seems to be that the phone is packed with some good features. Now let's take a look at another side of the box which says the Moto E4 Plus. Now without wasting any further time, let's go ahead and unbox the box. First up, we gotta turn it upside down to open it up. Let's see what we are greeted here with. And yes, first up is the phone itself. Looks quite nice in quite gold color. Let's take a look at another angle here. Pretty good, shining metal. Let's take a look at what do we get in this box. It's gonna be some paperwork with the SIM ejector tool and stuff, which you can get to see. General paperwork. Take a look at it in a brief way. Yes, it is the paperwork. Now let's go in a detailed way. This is gonna be the quick start guide which you normally get in other boxes. And yeah, another angle. Now we have another booklet over here. This is going to be a warranty card specially given by Lenovo. Great, I don't know how this is, but yes, it's a good thing. Up next we have the earphones. Good to see earphones bundled in the box. We don't get to see many of them in other phones. Up next we have the USB cord. Just the general stuff's now coming out. And we have the adapter. Key thing, right? Let's go in a detailed manner to check out each and every element of the box. We have the earphones now. Let's open it up. Good to see this. Like snow is white. Take another look at another angle here. Pretty good job to see this. Up next we have the USB cable. This is obviously going to be used in order to charge your phone and in order to connect it to your laptop or other ways you would want to connect for your multimedia and stuff. Another angle there. Up next we have the charger's adapter. Good to see all in white, and it's a bright white here. Nice done there. Box was already open, but just in case no one has got to see this, I have been posting such videos. Up next we have the phone. Let's take it and boot it up. Hey guys, if you all enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, The Unboxing Cabin. Like this video, share it with your friends, and don't forget to comment your valuable feedback. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.